Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
Tesla is expected to end its nearly 2-year-long run of record quarterly deliveries as a prolonged COVID-related shutdown in Shanghai hit its production and supply chain, highlighting the risk of its reliance on China. Boris Johnson pledged to increase UK military spending to 2.5% of gross domestic product by the end of the decade as part of a strengthening of NATO defences in response to the threat from Russia. The euro struggled to regain its footing after tumbling overnight against a resurgent US dollar, which benefited from safe haven demand on renewed worries about higher interest rates and global recession. The last session saw the dollar fall 0.6% against the yen. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 5.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The oil dollar pair dove 3.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Eurozone's HICP will be released at 0900 GMT. The Austrian trade balance at 0700 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 GMT. Japan's Jibun Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0130 GMT. The UK CFTC GBP/NC net positions at 1930 GMT, and the US ISM Manufacturing PMI at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.